Hey guys, so I was just taking a picture for my thumbnail and this box is huge, so I'm just going to show it to you right away. I am opening the POPSUGAR must-have fall box today. So yesterday I opened the box of style fall box, and today I'm opening another seasonal box, which I love seasonal boxes so much. They're a little bit more pricey, or depend, kind of a lot more actually. This one's $75 a month. The one yesterday was a season. And the one yesterday was $99, but I have coupons for both. So this one I have a coupon for $20 off. So I was just looking at the website and there is a referral program, I guess. So it's a referral link and you get $20 off, and apparently if you sign up through my link I get $20 credit towards their website. So it's not the subscription, but I guess they sell stuff on their website. I don't know, but I'm just starting this off awfully, aren't I? But I'm so excited. I love these boxes. So like I was saying, they're a little bit more expensive, but you get a lot of stuff. So they say the value of this box is over $300. I do not know what's in this one. Besides one item we were able to customize, we got an email about a while ago. So everything else will be a surprise to me. And last time I think the value was almost $400. So let's see what's inside. So there's a nice packaging. It's like one of those magnetic closures. This box is seriously huge. And on the inside it says happiness delivered, and then this is what it looks like. Okay, and that is the last. I'm picking that up because I am weak. There's a information packet, so I'll just sit right here, and the first thing I see looks so cute. Let's see, what is this? It looks like it might be like a scarf or something. Oh man, it's so soft. Something smells really good in here. Oh my god, this is the softest thing ever. This is by... Let me see if you can... I'm not even gonna try. You guys know I suck at saying stuff, pronouncing things. But this is so pretty. Look at this. It is a scarf. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing how cute this is. It's like 100 degrees here in Florida, but oh my god, maybe one day I'll be able to enjoy this, or maybe I should give it to my mom. She loves scarves and she lives in cold Chicago, but we'll see. Let's learn more about this though. It's seriously so soft. I love it. I miss fall right now, but when it becomes winter time, I'm gonna be loving that. I don't have to deal with that crap. Oh wow, so this is $75. So this is the value of the box itself. So the very first item covers the box. And this is by Soya and Kayo. I guess it's not that hard to say. The Larissa scarf. It says, wrap yourself inside this ultra soft scarf. Both sides feature a stylish geometric pattern in soft gray and rose hues to complement all of your on-trend fall outfits. The luxurious accessory is a generous size, making it easy to wear not only as a scarf, but also as a shawl or cape, or even as a travel blanket. We love the dusty rose shade, a bestseller that's so flattering on everyone. I agree, I love the shade. I don't know, I might give this to my mom for Christmas or something. Don't listen if you're watching this, but I don't know. I love it though. So, oh, it's so soft. I wish I was cold so I can wear it, but I'm freaking hot, like always. All right. Oh, next thing I see is by Tarte. Tarte skincare. I don't think I have any Tarte skincare thing. I only have their makeup. So this is a Tight and Bright Clay Multi-Mask. Okay, so a mask. That makes more sense. I was like, I don't know if they have. Oh, there's like two sides. Okay, so the packaging definitely looks Tarte-like. Very cute. This is big. So it has two sides to it. It looks like one side is a clay mask and one's that tightens pores, and the other is a gel mask that's supposed to brighten. So I don't think you wear them all at once. Let's see. Oh, you do. Okay, here's how to multi-mask. Apply the clay side to clean skin where you want to tighten pores, and then apply the gel to hydrate and brighten. So if you have combination skin, this is perfect for you. Awesome. I smell like clay. I'm not gonna open it right now because I don't want to make a mess in here. That's very messy. It's awesome. Excited about that. I have a whole drawer of face masks, but I actually use them. I used one today. It was from the Target beauty box, and I think I had a little bit of a reaction. I could like feel it when I had the mask on, and it's like made of all natural ingredients, so I don't know what it was, but I was really red and kind of irritated afterwards. I think it's gone now, but if I do look a little pink, that's why. Okay, let's see, where is this? There's so much stuff in here. I'm trying not to focus on that. This is $40. That's a lot. So it says, yeah, treat your skin twice as nice with this 2-part multitasking mask. The vegan and hypoallergenic treatment contains Amazonian clay to remove impurities from the skin and help tighten pores. Place the pearlescent mask on your face where you want to mattify your skin. And next, place the gold hydrating mask on the rest of your face to help soothe inflammation. Actually, I am going to show you because it looks like it's actually gold color and I want to see it. Ooh. Gold. Cool. Man, there's so much stuff in here, you guys. Next thing I see is by Kayseri. It's a phone pocket. Ooh. Do you guys hear that? I think my phone just made some noise. This is what it looks like. It's so I guess you like apply this to the back of your smartphone and you can put your credit card in. It says it holds 2 cards. Easy to apply, secure adhesive backing, peels off without residue. It's like a gold color. See that? Cool. Read more about this. Oh my god, I'm peeking at everything. I'm so impatient. This is $15, and this, you can see it here on the phone. My phone's buried underneath this box or scarf or something, I don't know. Never go rummaging through your purse again thanks to this gorgeous, inconvenient card case. The rose gold case has 2 card slots and a secure 3M adhesive backing so you can stick it onto the back of your phone easily and securely. Your most important cards will be readily accessible and safe no matter where you go. That's a great idea. Alright, I'm just going to keep moving along because look at this pretty packaging. This looks like it's lipstick from Lipstick Queen, am I right? Yep, Lipstick Queen. And this is in Manic Mauve. I'm super excited. I really like their lipsticks. I actually love their lips. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. Super cute. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. It's like, do you guys see this? And I can't tell if you could see. Look at the color. It's like, it has like a marble look to it. I need to read about this. It says, go bold this season with a marbled lipstick. Okay, usually I don't describe things properly. I did. In a fashion-forward shade, the mauve hue will flatter a variety of skin tones and is perfect for everyday wear. Because of the marble effect in the tube, no 2 swipes of lipstick are alike, but they blend together into a gorgeous complementary tint. Thanks to the rich, ultra-moisturizing formula that includes vitamin E, the chilly weather won't make your pout dry. This is awesome. This is $25, and it looks like they sell it at Ulta, if you're interested. But you can kind of see the different colors. Kinda. Do you guys see that? Kind of like, it looks like there's like a chunk on there. I wonder if I do have some makeup on my hand, probably because I like to put my foundation on my hand. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. See if each swipe is really different. It really, oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see that. Is it focusing? They're slightly different. I am super excited to try this out later. And it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Love it. Next thing, I recognize this brand, jewelry. We've gotten this for sure in probably a single swag at least once. And I think this is the one item I knew about, but honestly I forgot about until right now. Or until I got the box. So it's a cuff, and we got to pick the color. I think it was like silver and gold and rose gold. Right, this is rose gold. Am I like blind? I don't know. Colorblind. I don't always wear stuff like this. I feel like I just have a weird shaped wrist, or just a fat wrist. I don't know. Let's see. So I might sell this on my eBay or use it as a gift because I just don't know if I'll wear it. By the way, I have an eBay store where I sell things if you want to check it out. Oh my god, this is $90 value by Jewel Smith. It's a Jane cuff. It says, accessorize your favorite fall sweater with a bold, eye-catching cuff. The glamorous cuff is flawlessly smooth and also adjustable. Oh, that's good. Allowing you to wear it on your arm or your wrist. Your arm. Honey, that will not fit my fat arm. It also features a geometric design that's easy to slip on or flip over for a simpler look to complement every outfit. Oh yeah, I might like the other way. Let's see. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not good with jewelry. I don't always wear it. I try to remember to put earrings on. So this is what it would look like the other way, but $90, that's the most expensive thing so far. See this value of this box, that's a lot. So I'll add it up at the end if I can find my phone, or I'll put it in the description box. How about that? Okay, so I'm just gonna set this aside. I am going slow today. All right, oh, these are vitamins. I like this brand. Killer Nails supports longer, stronger nails and hair. Oh, awesome. I've been considering buying Tarte's vitamin, Halo Beauty vitamins, because I just really have bad quality nails. Are really thin and my hair is really thin and my skin's awful. Acne and wrinkles, not fair. So I'm excited to try this because I already bought this. I'm glad I didn't splurge on the vitamins. I think they're definitely like over $1 a day. Like they're like $40 or something like that. I don't know. So this is a 30-day supply, I believe, because there's 30 of them. Let's see how many you have to take at a time. Yeah, oh, there it is. It took me a little bit. Take 1 capsule daily with food. So, cool. I am excited to try this. I need it. I seriously have been debating getting the Halo vitamin. Okay, have you guys tried it, by the way? If you have, let me know. I want to know about it. This is $10, so cheaper than Halo, but I don't know. Yeah, I've heard good things about it, but I don't know anyone personally that's tried it, so I would love to hear more. What is this? It looks like there's like snap closures on it. Let's read about it before I open it. Sorry, there's so many pages in here. Alright. Oh, I've heard of this company. I think we've gotten something from them in a box of style. This is Tribe Alive. It's a leathered marbled valet tray. Retail value $58. It says keep your valuables in this stunning handcrafted tray that's managed, made, and designed by women. This genuine leather and hand marbled tray is the perfect place for your daily baubles and trinkets and is created by female artisans in Guatemala, Haiti, India, Honduras, and Fort Worth, Texas to provide at-risk women with living wages. You can feel good knowing you're supporting your fellow woman. Awesome. I don't like to support leather products. I know I probably have some around somewhere, but this is probably something I will also put in my eBay store, but I don't know. Just say, I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this stuff. I just think out loud. It is cute. I like the colors. You see? Oh, I like this brand. Umbra. I have several things by them. Or I did at my Chicago place. I don't think it's here. This is a pendant accessory organizer. Rose gold. I think, yeah, I definitely have some hanging things from them, but I used to have like this color. I had their garbage cans. I really like their stuff. It's so cute in like functional home goods. So this is light. Yeah, this is cute. I like how you can see it like holding up the scarf and stuff. Let's learn more about it if I can find it. Okay, so this has a retail value of $11.99. And it is the pendant mini scarf hanger. So start the season off with an organized closet thanks to this gorgeous rose gold hanger. The triangular geometric shapes within the hanger creates openings that are ideal for hanging all of your fall scarves and accessories. This beautiful and functional closet organizer will make it easy for you to complete all of your I would just say autumn essentials, but autumnal ensembles with the right finishing touches. Okay, I just need to stop talking. I feel like everything's really color coordinated in this box. Even this face mask goes with everything. Like rose gold, like so cute. Oh my, I still can't get over how cute this scarf is. Oh, I think there's something else in here. I thought it was done. It says, but there's more. Open this flap to reveal this month's special extras. Oh my god, something smells really good. This must be what I've been smelling. What is this? Here are some simple laundry and aftercare tips. Okay, so this is, look at it, you can see like the, Oh, there's one of those like little bags of lavender. Something. And then there's like cleaning wipes by Clorox, which I love the cleaning wipes because I'm lazy and I like to just have everything ready to go. Oh wait, these aren't cleaning wipes, these are bleach packs. So throw in the washer. I never bleach anything. I don't really wear white because I really like red wine and it doesn't really go together, especially when you're like me. Get a little excited and you know, that's the only way. I never like actually tip the glass over or anything, but I'm just holding it and I like suddenly move and splash on myself. But yeah, these are Clorox Zero Splash Packs. They're pre-measured for easy dosing. That's good. Kids, don't eat these. What the hell is going on with the Tide Pack things? Okay, let's see if it says anything about it in here. Well, the lavender sachet is a special extra by K-Hall Designs, and then this is the Clorox. It doesn't say pricing for these special things. And then there's another thing. Wait, are these glasses? Oh my god, a special extra is Liz Claiborne sunglasses. Apparently these are sold at JCPenney. No price on here that I can see. And then I think there's another thing in here somewhere too, unless I didn't get that. Oh my god, there's multiple special, like usually like, you know, like FabFitFun will have like one extra thing. This is a pretty big extra thing. And look, it color coordinated with everything too. Wow. So these are pretty cute. Can you see the side detail on that? How do I look? I never usually wear this style, but I like them. They fit well. They fit on my big head. I can't believe they have glasses in here. Yeah, exclusively available at JCPenney. They're called the Sloan Rose Gold Sunglasses. Cool. Is there... Oh, there is more. Oh my god, this is like the never-ending box of goodies. Sweet. I love getting makeup wipes. Okay, I'm gonna take these off, even though I really like them. Makeup Mount Bliss oil-free makeup remover wipes. Sweet. I like Bliss. I've been using like their toner lately, which I really like, but you know, I guess it says chamomile in it, and the packaging is so cute. And there's 30 wipes, and this is a bonus. Okay, we got 4 bonus items. I love these little things. I kind of like just skipped over this, by the way. It smells so good. I love putting these in my drawers. It makes your clothes smell so good. You guys, I am super happy with this. Okay, so do you want me to add it up? No, I'm going to add it up. I'm sorry, this video is like going on forever, and I don't even know if anyone's still watching, but I am super curious to see the value of this box. All right, and I found my iPhone. Let's get the calculator open. Okay, 75 plus 90 plus 40 plus 58 plus 15 plus 25 plus 11.99 plus 10. Okay, and then that's everything. And then the 4 bonus items, which are, I don't know the value of, but $324.99 is the total. And then you get 4 bonus items. So, and you pay $75, or if you use the link below, which hopefully works, it even mentions it in this packet, the referral program, you get $20 off. So, what, $50 for $325 worth of stuff? I really liked it. What was my favorite? I don't know, but I can't believe how coordinated all the items are. Like, seriously, like, they all just go together so well, even if their functions are quite different. I am happy with this box. I love seasonal boxes. Like I said, I will leave the link below, and if you're still watching, thank you so much. Sorry I was rambling, and I'm gonna go try out this lipstick and play with my new stuff, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye.